Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy. If anybody is new and joining me here for the first time, thank you so much. My slogan is Believable Brown Beauty, and I do like to use makeup in slightly unconventional ways at times. Also, I do live Get Ready With Me's on Sunday mornings at 9:30 GMT. I will leave my Instagram handle for you here. Please come and join us. It's the most fun thing for me to do. I really like my lives, and there's some really lovely people on my lives as well, so that's really cool. And now let's get into this week's makeup. So on Sunday last week, I was having one of those great makeup days. I had this new palette. It's not new, it's been out for a while, but it's the Nars Ignited Palette. And Instagram decided that it was a really wonderful, helpful thing to do to disconnect my live without even giving me the option of saving it. So I lost my footage. I asked in my poll if people would like me to recreate it, and they said yes. So that's what we're doing today. First, I'm going to pop on a little bit of this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Base. I really like this primer. Maybe a little bit too much. I'm going to pop this on. It smells so good as well. So this is a primer and a moisturiser in one. Next, on to concealer, and I bought a new one, so I'm back on my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Amande. Just going to pop this in the usual place. And then taking a medium shadow brush from Real Techniques, just blend this in. I'm actually doing my eye makeup first because these Nars eyeshadows do have a little bit of fallout and I don't want to get glitter on the rest of my face. So we're going to do the eyes first. And I'm going to try my best to remember exactly what I did last week. I used the Fenty Beauty Unbutton as my eyeshadow primer. And this is a Zoeva concealer buffer brush, and I'm just going to use this to pat this onto my lid. Then I think I went in with this colour here. Can you see, is that showing? Yeah. That red brown. And pop that through my crease. Oh, actually no, I just remembered I did this bit first in the video, but it's fine. It's still the same colour that I used. Then I'm taking a 239 from MAC, and I'm going to use this colour here on my lid. Then I'm taking a 217 and I'm going back into this red brick colour here. And I'm just going to do the corner of my eye. Now I'm happy with that at the moment. I'm going to go in and fill in my brow so it makes a bit more sense. So I'm taking my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and a brush up Struggolina. And my lovely eyebrow here, and then just quickly fill them in. Then I'm going to take some of my concealer and just etch out my brows a little bit. Now I'm happy with my brows. I'm going to go in with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter and just lock them all in place. For this look, I used a brown gel liner, so I'm taking my Maybelline Lasting Gel Drama Liner in brown, and I'm just going to create a little wing. First one on, and then the second eye. And now I'm just taking that red brick colour again, the same colour that we put in the crease, and running that underneath my eye. Then I'm going to go back to the brown liner and use this to run under my lash line as well. And I'm going to take a little smudger brush from Real Techniques and just buff that all in. I'm going to finish off my eyes with this little tiny sample of the Nars Climax mascara I was given literally yesterday. And this stopped me from opening the one that I have, so I get to try it without opening my new one. Let's see what this mascara is like. It's a good brush. I can feel like it's really like combing through my lashes. Oh, it's nice. Look at the difference between the two eyes. It's a good mascara. It feels like it's giving them volume and definition at the same time, but that's just one coat, so let's see what happens. Let's do the second one and then go back and do a second coat on the other eye. It's a really good wand. Really, really separating the lashes. So that's mascara on. Now we can move on to skin. I'm taking my Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in 7.25, yeah, Cool Almond. And I'm taking a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and I'm just going to buff this onto my face. Then I'm going to take some Chestnut Foundation for my jawline. This is the same, it's the Skin Foundation but just in the stick version. Uh-oh. Sounds like somebody's waking up from their nap. Then I think I used this on Sunday. It's a lipstick. It's the Rosie for Autograph Marks and Spencer makeup collection. I think I used that on my cheeks. I'm just going to buff that in with the same brush that I used for my foundation. And then I'm going to take my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate palette in Intensity 2 and just pop on some highlight. I think I did this as well. I've got a bit of makeup fog. I've bought so much stuff this week. I can't remember, and I've done so many different makeups on myself. I can't remember what I've done when, so. I know the eyes were like this, and I think the cheeks were the same. It's just so hard to remember sometimes. Now I'm happy with my skin and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to go in and set, because this is really dewy. It probably looks like it looks really nice, but in real life, if I was to wear this type of makeup and not put any powder on it, eventually, like in an hour or so, it would just look super greasy. So I'm just going to mattify here. And I think, looking at myself, I'm going to put on a bit more concealer before I put too much powder in that area. Still think it needs a bit more powder in here. And now I feel like I need more blush. So I'm just going to do a tiny bit more. I'm happy with my face now, so we're going to move on to lips, and I am using this NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. Yes, I got the name right. And the colour is American Woman, and I'm going to use this on my lips. I really love how these feel on the lip. The texture is so thin. It's almost as if you can't really feel them, and they don't make your lips super, super dry. Now, for me, I'm not ever going to wear a colour like this with no lip pencil, So I'm taking chestnut lip pencil. I'm just going to blend that to make it look a little bit softer. I'm taking a smudger brush and I'm just going to blend this into the lip colour a bit more. And then I'm going to take some Nars Orgasm lip gloss and pop that over the top. I don't want too much of this, I'm going to use my finger to put it on. So guys, there you have it. This is the final makeup look for today. Very spring-like, very fresh, very dewy. It's the kind of makeup that I love to wear. I just wanted to demonstrate how versatile that palette is, because if you don't know, I am actually quite skeptical when it comes to buying palettes, and it takes quite a lot to convince me and make me part of my money. And I just knew that this would be something that I would use a lot and could create a lot of different looks from. I also love how small and compact the Nars palettes are. So as a makeup artist, we're always thinking of ways to save space in our kit. So these huge palettes that come out don't ever really appeal to me. But this little pocket rocket, yeah, that was definitely a winner. If you have this palette, let me know like what kind of looks you like to create with that as well. That would be really interesting to see what you guys like. And I think that is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join me on my Instagram. I'll plug it again one more time here. And yeah, let me know what you think, and I look forward to speaking to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.